In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a signature in Apple Mail on both iOS and over on your Mac. So here we are on my iPhone. As you can see, when I compose a new mail or message in Apple Mail, I have my signature there at the bottom. And in order to set that up, go ahead and get out of the Apple Mail app and go ahead and swipe down on your device and search for Settings and open up the Settings app here. And then once we're here at the bottom of our Settings app, we want to tap on the search bar at the very bottom here and then just type in the word Mail. The one you want to choose is the one that says Mail, not Mail Accounts. Tap into Mail, and then once you're here, scroll all the way down towards the bottom, and you're going to see something here that says Signature. Tap into Signature. Now, you'll have two options. If you have multiple email accounts linked to Apple Mail, you can have a signature per account. So if you want a different signature for different email addresses, you go to Per Account, and then it'll bring up, say, my Gmail and then my normal account, and you can edit those individually. But if you want a streamlined signature across all accounts, just tap on All Accounts, tap in here, and in order to add links, it's very simple. You just basically copy a link from elsewhere and then select the text here in your signature and then paste that as a link. Very easy, very simple. Once you're ready to go, once you're done, you just back out, and now whenever you compose a message in Apple Mail, you'll see your new signature. In order to do this over on your Mac, here we are within the Apple Mail app, as you can see here. And what I want you to do is in the upper left-hand corner here in your settings bar, go and click on the word Mail and then go to Settings. This is going to bring up your general settings for Apple Mail. About 7 over, you'll see an option that says Signatures. Click into Signatures, and this is where you can edit and add your signature. You can do one that's all signatures for all of your email addresses, or you can select individual emails. So my Google or Gmail, I can select that there and then add another signature by clicking the addition symbol here, give it a name, and then go ahead and type how you want your signature to look. Very easy, very simple. To delete a signature, you just hit the minus symbol and that will remove that as well. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to check the pinned comment below for some frequently asked questions, and we'll see you guys in the next video.